Was driving home today, I noticed my headlight was out. As you can see, that one is alright, but that one is out. So you can access it from behind here, but it's easy enough to actually remove the entire headlight and do it with a comfort. So I'm just going to turn the lights off. So to remove the headlight, you got cable connector. You need to pull that grey tab out and connector will pop off. There you go. And we got two bolts, T30 star, one out on the front. It's not very long bolt. Done. And one up here. This one is a bit longer. There you go. Now just to give a gentle tap to the center of the vehicle. And then you can literally pick it up and take it somewhere where you can do it on your leisure. Once the headlight is secured, open the rubber protective cap, pull out light bulb connector. So once connector is out, all it holds that light bulb in is that little spring metal there on that side and one on opposite. So all we have to do is grab the light bulb and just, you can see that bit there, just pull it up and out. And this is the bad one. You can see the filament has burned out. That's a little springy bit there. Now we take a new light bulb. Don't touch the glass. You can see the little filament is intact, and without touching the glass, put the light bulb in. Right, here's a little notch there on the side, a little flat bit goes there, and just push it in secure. Plug in electrical connection and replace securely rubber cap. And then we can put the light back in. So line it up, and then you can see that sliding clip there. That clip there should slide in to this section here. And all you need to do is just push it to the right, and then put the screws back in. and then electrical connector. Don't force it, it's got lots of pins in. Just gently turn it left, right until it finds its own place, and as you pushing it in, then just push that grey retaining clip. That's done. Then we can do a little test. Turn the lights on. One headlight and the other one. So to replace the bulb, pull the grey tab on the side from electrical connector, and with a T30 remove that bolt and the long bolt up here. And then tap the light to the center of the van. And once it's tapped off, you can literally lift it and out. There you go.